It's a Fed decision day. Tim Biggam of Buy Alerts is at the ready. Tim, will the Fed cut rates? What are your three keys to trading?
Yeah, really expecting, no rate change, certainly out of the Fed. I think the consensus is almost 100% on that. It's more kind of the, jawboning around it. And I think what happens to the 10-year yield, as far as the most important thing to watch, post-Fed, will it break below that 4.5% kind of yield or back above 4.75 towards those recent highs here? I think that will be the key and will be the key for stocks going forward. Stocks looking at the S&P 500, even though we saw a bad start to the week, certainly it has recovered and held that uptrend line and that 6,000 level. So I think that will be the key for basically, the market as far as stocks go going forward. Will we continue to hold that uptrend line that is held for a very long time? And then the most important thing, perhaps, earnings this week. We're seeing, Apple, Microsoft, Meta, Tesla all reporting this week. Big week for earnings. How stocks react to those earnings, given the high valuation environment, will be key going forward.
Let's get your trade of the day.
Yeah, looking at a stock that has made a move towards its all-time high. Upwork, UPWK, have seen big repeat call buying. More importantly, IV has lifted not only in February, but also in the March option. So just going out, buying the shares, selling these very expensive, slightly out of the money, 17.5 calls, looking to lean with those big repeat call buyers, but capture some rich option premium to further, the downside protection, lower the cost.
For someone who's not using options, what do you think about shares of Upwork?
Stock in general, I think is certainly worth just an outright buy here. You don't need to sell a covered call if you don't want to kind of limit your upside but reduce your net cost. And it's very near a breakout point. So if the stock breaks out, you could see a further upside on the shares going forward. And obviously, those call buyers like the stock to head much higher from here.
We thank you very much, Tim. Have a great trading day.
You bet. Anytime. Take care, Ange.